Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to learn to solve index operation problem in array. Okay, so I have already opened Visual Studio Code. I have already written the problem statement: multiply odd indexed element by 2 and add 10 to even indexed elements of array. Okay, okay, and I have already make the file this index operation where our code will save. Okay, so if you are using Visual Studio Code, then you open it and write this dot with dot java, then your file will created. Okay, and then you can start writing code with me so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. If you learn this topic in parallelly with me, so that you can learn these things one go only. Okay, and if you are not using Visual Studio Code, then you open online Java compiler and do practice there. Okay, parallelly. Okay, so I am going to import a scanner class to take user input. So I need to write here import. Guys, I am explaining this code while writing code. Okay, and after that I will write comment for each line, each logic, so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. Okay, so first you try to write the same code on your system and then execute with me, and after that when I will write comment for each line, then your summed out which is left in the explaining while the writing part will be clear. Okay, so I need to write your import java dot util dot scanner to take user input. I need to import a scanner class from util packages of the java. Okay, and then here I need to write psbm. This is main method. This is the keyword to write. Psbm is the keyword to write public static void main string args in the Visual Studio Code. If you are using another application, then you have to write the complete text. Okay, and if you are using Visual Studio Code, then you can use psbm always. Okay, and then I need to write here a scanner. Sc is equals to new scanner system dot in. This is the text text to. This is the object creation of the scanner class. Sc is the object. Okay, and we have created now object of the scanner class. Now I need to write here a message to ask enter size of the array. Okay, and then I'm going to take the size with the help of n. Sc dot next int. Okay, now i'm going to I'm going to ask to enter number of element, in number of element. So I need to ask here enter n element for the array. Okay, and now I'm going to make first the what I'm going to declare array of size n. So I need to write here int arr of n. Arr of is equals to new int n. Okay, now I have declare array of size n. Now I'm going to run for loop to take all user input. So I need to write here for int I is equals to 0, I less than equal to n, less than n, and I plus plus. And here I need to write arr of I is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, and then here I need to write what south Here I need to write. Now I have taken the element of the array. Here I need to write index operation. Below is the below below is the what? With the writing comment I need to write here. Below is the code for operation, index operation. First I need to write a for loop to traverse all array from left to right. For int I is equals to 0, I less than n and I plus plus, and then I need to divide I. If I divide I modulus 2 equal to 0 means it is even number. If it is even, then we need to add 10 to even. So I need to write here arr of I is equals to arr of I plus 10, and if it is not even, then we need to write this part in else part. If it is not even means it is odd, then we need to divide arr, we need to multiply by 2 in arr of I. Okay, we need to multiply with 2 in array element. Okay, and after that I need to print these things. So I need to write a statement. What? Below is the updated array element according to problem statement. Okay, and then I need to write here a for loop to print all the element of the array. So I need to write here for int I is equals to 0, I less than equal to less than n, and I plus plus, and then I need to write error of I with one space, and then sc dot closing of the scanner class object to avoid resource leak and free the memory. Okay, then I'm going to run it. After that I will write comment for each line. Okay, now I have already done everything. Okay, it is coming. Here it is asking to enter size of the array. I'm entering 5. Enter 5 element for the array. I'm entering 1 2 3 4. Okay, and 5. Okay, you can see bro, input should be input 5, input size. Here I need to write size of the array. Here element of the array, what? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and here is updated dated element of the array. Okay, so updated element is one is here. See, the index start in array from 0 to n. Okay, so here it is 0 1 2 3 4. So 0 is divided by 0 modulus 2 is, will be 0. So we need to add, so we need to divided, we need to multiply in what, in even, in even index we have to add 10. So if it is 0 index is even, then we need to add in 0. So first element will be what, 10 plus 1 11, and 0 after that 1. Then we need to we need to multiply in in odd, we need to multiply with 2. So after multiplying 2 by 2 is will be 4, and 0 1 it is already 2, then it will be 13. Okay, and then it is 8, and then it is what, 10, no 10, it is 15, it will be 15, 10, this will be 13, and this will be 15, and this will be, then you can see bro, 11 4 13 8 15 will be going to the updated element. Now I am going to here enter. You can see this is the our result. Okay, and this is already matching bro. So now I am going to write comment for all the things. If you are executing, then you can see these things on your system, it is working perfectly. Now I'm going to enter another element. Going to enter 7 number of element now. A1 2, how many element I have entered? 3 and 4 7. Now you can see 1 plus 10 11, 4 divided by 4 multiplied by with 2, 5 plus 10 8 8 multiplied with 2, and you can see in odd indexed we are multiplying, in even indexed we are adding. Okay, so now this is the this is the scanner class to take user input. Okay, this is what, this is file name there, or code is saving. This is the main method to execute every things. This is the object creation of scanner class. This is what, this is the message to ask size. Okay, this is storage of the size of the array. This is message for user to enter element. Okay, and here we are declaring the array of size and taking all element using for loop. Okay, here we are write code to perform operation in even index. We need to add 10. Okay, so we are adding, and in odd index we are adding no, we are multiplying, we are multiplying by 2. Okay, we are multiplying by 2. Okay, and then after that we are printing element of the array after the updated after updated. Okay, and here we are closing object of the scanner class to avoid resource leak resource leak and free the memory. Okay guys, now I have completed with all things, with writing coding parts, explaining the problem statement and comment also, and execution of the program also. Now I'm going to execute it once. Sorry, after that I will going to close this video, and we will meet in another video by solving another problem. I am going to enter size of the array. I am entering 5 and then 10. I am going to enter element 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 30, 40. What are you doing, man? Okay, 50. Now you can see this is the our result. Okay, we are adding 10 in even index element, and we are multiplying with 2 in odd indexed. Okay, so this is the our result. Okay, thank you everyone, have a nice day, and bye. We will meet in another video. Thank you.